On April 25 of 2019, the droughts and heavy rains have destroyed more than a half of the farmers' beans and crops along the Central American dry corridor, leaving them without food reserves. In total, 2.2 million people from El Salvador, Honduras, Guatemala, and Nicaragua have lost their crops. The ONU and the Global Food Programme are asking to urgent funds to help these people. $72 million are needed to provide food for more than 700,000 affected people, revalue crops, establish social protection systems, and strengthen the resilience of communities. It is about reinforcing systems and planting crops that are better adapted to droughts and torrential rains to prevent families from running out of the food and being forced to migrate. Thank you all guys for listening me again, and we will get us back to the studio. And remember, the breaking news that you want to hear. Bye bye guys. See you next time.